Now, this method of balancing chemical equations is called as hit and trial method because we make trials to balance the equation by using the smallest whole number coefficient. Here you see two complex chemical equations. The first equation is balanced while the second equation is not balanced. The first equation is balanced because the number of carbon atoms on the left hand side is 1 while the number of carbon atoms on the right hand side is also 1. The number of hydrogen atoms on the left hand side is 4. The number of hydrogen atoms on the right hand side is also 4. The number of oxygen atoms on the left hand side is 4. The number of oxygen atoms on the right hand side is also 4. So this equation is balanced. First equation is balanced because the number of atoms on the left hand side is equal to the number of atoms on the right hand side for all the elements. Now in the second equation, where sodium phosphate reacts with magnesium chloride to give sodium chloride and magnesium phosphate, the number of atoms on the left hand side are not equal to the number of atoms on the right hand side, as you can see here. Sodium atom on the left hand side is 3, sodium atom on the right hand side is 1. Phosphate atoms on the left hand side is 1, phosphate atom on the right hand side is 2. Magnesium atom on the left hand side is 1 only, while magnesium atoms on the right hand side is 3. Chlorine atoms on the left hand side is 2, while the chlorine atoms on the right hand side is only 1. So the second equation is an unbalanced equation. We need to balance it.